just that one rider. Everyone's good, everyone's good, everyone's good. There's a beetle. What are you doing there, little beetle? Oh. Alright, quick video. Look, this is where we stopped. Am I recording even?
I'm loving it. I'm fucking loving it.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Like you're charging my system, you know?
Yeah, isn't this just, this heals the soul.
God, you said it, man. You said it.
Look how fucking gorgeous this is, right? Let me see if I can find these other riders. I think we already missed them. And I see this incredible natural beauty. There's a mountain. I just saw Peekaboo Mountain. Hey, gorgeous. Hey, beautiful. That got everybody's attention. Oh, it's just a fucking beautiful fucking place, this. I wanted to get here and get them all riding past there and get like that gorgeous shot. Yep, another rider. Oops. This is a funny game, isn't it? Alright, here we go. Yeah. Detroit Lake. I was expecting a much bigger place. This is, we have to get gas here. I won't pretend to know what things are, I'll just show you them, alright? Goldwing CBR 500 65 Magma from 1986. This is bold is 5. It's a Ninja. My Viffa. I have this. This looks like Gravity Falls, right? The cartoon. Shout out time! I'm going to mispronounce your channel, I'm sorry about this, but Canadian Moto Girl, or it could be Moto Girl Canadian. I'll put up a proper caption and stuff. So I'd recommend her channel because well, for one, she doesn't have a huge amount of subscribers and stuff, which isn't why I'm recommending a channel. The reason why I'm recommending a channel is because she's posted up a bunch of rider educational videos, and they're awesome. They're on point. They're really clear. They're really concise. From the few I've watched, I've learned a few things. Oh, hello, gorgeous corners. Hello, beautiful corners. What's the next one going to look like? Ooh, also beautiful. We've got 45 more miles of this road. 45 more miles. This road's gorgeous. I know everybody behind me is having an absolute fucking blast on this piece of tarmac. Why? Because it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's smooth. Need to pull over. Need to pull over. Let these faster riders go past. Faster riders! Yep. This is a group for literally, it's for everybody, so we've got to make sure everybody gets the chance to have the ride they want to have. Look at where we stopped here. You got it? No problem. Here.
That's what I was looking for. Thanks.
Look how beautiful this is. Look at us. Fuck, it's beautiful, right? So on today's ride, you can see how many bikes there are, how many different kinds of bikes, different kinds of people. Fuck me, I forgot what side of the road to ride on then. Oh, you beautiful corner. We were going to split into two groups again, do the fast group again, but the fast riders have had about 45 mile of fast road to play in, or so far today. They mostly just said, we're good, we'll just cruise. Gorgeous. I realise I'm actually helping other motorcyclists with their community. I mean, it's not, I'm helping other people. I'm helping other people have a good time. And it just sort of like began to dawn on me that today. This is a stunning, stunning, stunning road. We're definitely going to run this again next year. It's just too perfect. This whole road. I mean, the moss and there's a bit of gravel and stuff, but overall, this is, considering how long we've been on this now, this is some fucking stretch of tarmac. Is that it? That says wankers! That says wankers! The sign says wankers! It says wankers! It says wankers! It's called wankers! It's called Wankers Country Store! What the fuck? It's called wankers!